Very good evening, children. Let us start lesson 4, the magic seed. We will have a look at the characters of the lesson. That is Chinu, he is a small boy, and Auntie Prema, who gives mango to Chinu, mango seed, and Chinu's grandfather. In this lesson, we will understand the magic of the seed. I hope all of you know what is a seed. We will be speaking about a mango seed in this lesson and the magic the mango seed does. So there is a boy by name Chinu who is 5 years old, and he gets a mango from his aunt Prema. Chinu eats the mango and it was very sweet. After eating, Chinu threw away the seed. When Chinu threw away the seed, he hears a tiny voice which says, "Don't throw me away, Chinu, hide me in the soil and you will see the magic." So Chinu feels that the voice was coming from the seed. Listening to the voice, Chinu becomes very curious and he'll not throw the seed. He does as per the seed says him. Chinu digs a hole and he puts the seed in the hole and cover the hole and the seed with the soil. And he starts watering the seed as per Chinu's grandfather's instructions to him. So what happens to the seed when it is covered under the soil and Chinu starts watering it? It starts sprouting. You can see how the seeds start sprouting. So slowly, after few days, Chinu observes that there is a baby plant which came out of the seed. So looking at the baby plant, Chinu says, "Look at the baby plant, grandfather. Is this the magic of the mango seed?" He asks his grandfather. So grandfather says him, "Wait and see, there will be more magic out of that seed." Then as days passes, what happens? The little plant began to grow and it grew into a very big tree. For many years it grew. Along with the tree, Chinu also grew up into a big boy, and now he is 9 years old. And the little plant now has become a very big tree. You can see how big the tree is now. So looking into the tree now, Chinu says, "A small seed has become a huge tree." That's the magic of the seed. Listening to him, grandfather says, "Wait a little more and see, there will be more magic out of the seed." And the days started passing. And one day in the month of March, Chinu woke up early and it was a very lovely bright day. As you can see now, it's a very lovely bright sunny day, and he looks out of the window. He sees small flowers on the tree. So listening to Chinu's words, grandfather says, "Wait a little, there will be more magic." After few days, Chinu observes a very tiny green mangoes on the tree. So what does Chinu think now? Chinu thinks that this is also a magic of the seed. He waits few more days. After few more days, what happens? Those tiny green mangoes which he had seen on the tree slowly grew big and became yellow and ripened. That means it is now ready to eat. Mangoes became ripened and now ready to eat. So at this stage, grandfather says, "Chinu, you can call all your friends now and we all can eat them together." Chinu becomes very happy thinking that The seed have made a magic today. The seed have given me back the mango which I had eaten many years ago, which was given to him by Auntie Prema. So today, because of that seed, he has got many sweet and delicious mangoes to eat. With this, all of them understands, even Chinu understands that this is the magic of a seed. So, by this we understand that by sowing a seed and watering the seed periodically, we will really see the magic of the seed by getting the same fruit back, isn't it? So I hope all of you have understood this lesson, children. I want you all to try the same as how Chinu did and see the magic of the seed.